Welcome to day 2 of the 30-day momentum blueprint. Today is all about choosing the platform you're going to grow on. And listen, one platform is enough to change your entire life. Not 3, not 4, not everywhere at once, just one social media platform. If you've been doing this for a little while, then okay, cool. You can eventually add a second platform, 2, 3, 4, 5. But especially when you're newer, choosing one platform creates the clarity and consistency that actually builds momentum and trust with your audience. That's what's helped me, and that's what will help you as well. So I've been doing digital marketing for around 2 years now. I didn't grow by trying to do everything everywhere. I grew by focusing and staying consistent, showing up intentionally on one platform, then two, then three, then four, but I started with one that matched my personality and my vibe. And that's how I ended up earning multiple 5 figures online, thousands of dollars in commissions by keeping things simple and staying committed and focused to one platform at first. So today I'm breaking down each platform so you can choose the one that feels like home for you. So Instagram is amazing if you love visuals like reels, carousels, photos, stories. It's great for building a recognizable brand. You can build community, create connection, and move people to your link or DMs very easily. And the best part is you don't have to post 3 videos a day on Instagram. Carousels counts, photos count, and Instagram makes it easy for people to feel connected to you. Now, TikTok is the fastest platform for beginners and it's very forgiving. The organic reach is insane. Your content gets pushed out to people who've never heard of you, which makes it easier to get traction when you're starting out. Going live adds even more visibility, which builds trust quickly. If you want speed, TikTok is definitely your platform. That's what I started out with, and it worked for me. Now, Facebook is more personal. People treat it like a diary, which can be hilarious, but it also works. It's great for longer conversations, storytelling, connecting with people who share similar values, and building deeper relationships with people. The downside is that the business pages have low organic reach. But if you're good at creating curiosity and connection and storytelling, then Facebook can be still really powerful for you. Now, YouTube is a long-term momentum game. This is where content works for you for months or even years. Evergreen traffic, high authority, people go there to learn. They go there intentionally, and YouTube Shorts are being pushed out hard right now, which makes it easier to grow quickly. YouTube is also great for building your email list because people watching longer videos already trust you more. Now let's talk about weaknesses because every platform has them. Instagram can trigger overthinking. TikTok makes it harder to build deeper relationships unless you intentionally move people to your email list or inside of your community. Facebook can be noisy and full of distractions, and YouTube takes a lot of patience because results come, but they may come over time. They might not come overnight. But here's the truth. Every platform works. The real question is which platform helps you stay consistent? That's the one that you pick. Your strengths matter, your personality matters, your energy matters. If you thrive in storytelling, Instagram or Facebook might be perfect for you. If you want quick visibility, TikTok is incredible. If you want content that works while you sleep, YouTube is a beast. Now ask yourself these questions. Do you like talking to the camera? Do you like short form videos? Do you prefer teaching? Do you enjoy visuals? These answers guide you towards clarity. And this part matters a lot too as well. Avoid platform hopping, right? I've seen so many people scatter their energy across multiple platforms and burn themselves out because they're starting and stopping constantly. And this is where your momentum dies, okay? Consistency beats everything. I personally built my results, thousands in commissions, multiple 5 figures in earnings by mastering one platform at first. That's the truth. Only after I built consistency and confidence did I start thinking about branching out. I started on TikTok, then YouTube. Facebook was already there, but I wasn't posting much there, and Instagram too. So here's the metaphor that will guide your growth, okay? If you dig 5 holes 1 foot deep, you'll never strike water. But if you dig one hole 5 foot deep, you hit your flow. That's how this works. Go deep, don't go wide. So in the comments, drop the platform you're choosing for the next 30 days and tell me why you're choosing that platform. Let's commit together because the decision will shape your momentum more than you realize. Now, here are some hooks for today. So beginner-friendly hooks. I'm finally doing this. I picked one platform to grow my business, and here's why. Here's another one. Did you know this about TikTok or Instagram, Facebook, YouTube? This is why I chose this platform to grow my business. Another beginner hook. Here's why this platform is going to help me master my 2-hour workday. Now, some advanced hooks could be I was bouncing between Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube and getting nowhere. Here's the decision that I made today. And another one is if you've been overwhelmed trying to be everywhere at once, watch this. Another, why I'm going all in on one platform for the next 30 days. And then you can just check out the descriptions. There's more hooks in the description. Save them, use them, And I'm totally proud of you for being here. Let's make day two powerful. Let's go. And I'll see you on the next video. You got this. Let's go.